you. That statement isn't true today, as you sit here today, is it?
It is true. I pledged the entirety.
But you didn't donate it.
Unfortunately,
you didn't donate it. It's a yes or no.
I haven't been able to to fulfill those obligations.
So that's a no.
More details about the Depp versus Heard trial are being published. The most recent pointing out how the court was convinced that Amber Heard was lying from the very beginning, and that Team Johnny did a pretty good job laying down their arguments to give Team On no chance to create more lies and dump the blame on Johnny. Are you curious about what the court found out? Keep watching. 4 points were highlighted in a now viral tweet, so let's go over them one by one to give you a much clearer version. Of course, first on our list is the infamous TV interview where Amber confidently proclaimed that she had, in fact, already donated the divorce settlement she got from Johnny.
But then you did something that twisted that whole argument. What did you do with that money?
$7 million in total was donated to, I split it between the ACLU and Children's Hospital of Los Angeles.
Take note, she said donated, which means she pretended to give away the money only to be caught out during the trial. Another controversial piece of evidence is the body cam footage of the investigators who responded to the scene. The statements of the officers during the trial destroyed Heard's allegation of abuse because the officers clearly said that they decided not to investigate any further because they didn't see any sign of injury in Amber's face to raise any suspension of any altercation. Well, expect the obvious stage damage inside the penthouse.
Of Johnny Depp smashing the cabinets.
Okay. And you received this video in your inbox, correct?
I did.
Okay. What did you do once you received that video?
Next up, the court was also impressed with Morgan Knight's testimony about the kitchen video. His statement explained how it's highly possible that Amber herself leaked that video to TMZ to frame up Johnny. Last but not the least, Amber's past tendencies to be abusive to her partners hurt her credibility so much. Fans also reacted to this. One fan said, watching the entire trial, I would also add that the numerous recordings that showed she was abusive, the edited photos, the same photos submitted as evidence for entirely different days, and most specifically, Amber's testimony were the biggest factors as to why she lost. See, it's just pretty obvious from the start. To sum it up, it's just a pretty strong case in favor of Johnny. It didn't even help that Team On wasn't able to back up their lies and their statements didn't connect. That's it for today. See you.